Here's how to set up a Payoneer account for global payments. So for us to get this done, what we're going to be doing is heading over to Google, and here we're just going to type Payoneer. I'm going to go ahead and click and open this one right here. This is the first option, by the way. And we're going to go ahead and click the sign up button here. After doing so, what's going to happen is that we're going to enter as an individual. So again, I'm going to click this, and then you're going to go ahead and choose how much you are receiving on a monthly basis. Say, for example, if you're receiving less than 5,000, you can click this one right here, and then you can tap the register button because of this pop-up. All right, and then from here, you're going to fill in everything. So you have the getting started, the contact details, the security details, and the almost done here, which is going to refer to your bank. So yeah, I'm going to choose here, my business is not registered, and then fill in everything. All right, there you go. So I've filled in everything here. I'm going to tap the next button. All right, under contact details, you're going to answer, or you're going to enter your address as well as your mobile phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter here, say for example, and yeah, let's go ahead and enter my number. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the send code button right here in order for me to enter the verification code. All right, there you go. So everything is filled. I'm going to tap the next button. All right, now that we are here, we are going to enter the security details. So you have here your username, your password, and then you can click this for your security question, and of course the ID details. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in real quick. All right, there you go. So I have filled in everything that's needed under security details. Now I'm gonna head over to the next part, and in the next part we should be asked for our own account. So here I'm gonna choose personal account, the bank country, the currency that we are using, and then you can go ahead and click this one in order to look for your bank. Say for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, and then enter the account holder name, which is you, and you can't change this, by the way. So you can change this because you are going to be using the one that you have entered earlier. It should be here under the getting started. You entered your name, so you have to remember that one, and then you're going to enter the account number. After doing so, just go ahead and agree to the terms here, and then click the submit, and you are done. So that is how you are going to easily set up a Payoneer account for global payments.